Hello world, Mike White here with another quick Bitcoin update. Just having a look at bitcoinwisdom.com and checking out Bitstamp compared to OKCoin, so basically the European/US market compared to China. In Bitstamp you can see we had a bit of a test here, and a test here of $750. It's kind of a big figure, any kind of big round number is generally pretty strong resistance, and we got our nose in front of there a couple of hours ago, hitting 752.95, but we failed to stay over that. So that could prove to be pretty strong resistance moving forward. But coming over to the Chinese market, we can actually see that the big figure to talk about, and generally there's more volume over in China, that big figure was the 5,000 mark right there. So we actually got over there a little bit and then had a bit of a fall at the start of the month, had another test of it, and then as soon as we got through there, bang, it was off to the races. And you can see we've got pretty strong support here at 5,200. So I would say if we can actually take out this high in the Chinese market within the next, say, 6 to 12 hours, I would say that would be massively bullish. But if we fail and flounder around there, 750 over in the US market could be pretty strong resistance for at least the near-term foreseeable future. But another reason I wanted to have a look at these charts was going a little bit further back in time. If we go over back to Bitstamp, let's go back to the 12-hour. We can actually see that the big kind of run-up we had in mid-June, we haven't actually taken out that previous high. But if we go over to OKCoin and go over to the 12-hour chart, we have actually taken out that previous high. And actually the support that we're having a look at right now is the previous high. Now the reason that happened is Chinese yuan has been devalued compared to the US dollar and devalued in general, and that's why it's actually higher on the OKCoin chart. And I would say that this is now massive support. I'd be very surprised if we went underneath here again, and if we do, I'd say that we could have a bit of a fall and kind of test these lower ranges again back down to maybe 4,500 there. But if we go back even further, let's go back to 3-day chart, we can actually see that this was very good, strong resistance as well. So that's another reason why this is really strong support, because we're actually above both of these areas now. And if we do the same thing over on Bitstamp, over to the 3-day, here was quite good, was resistance and it is now support, but not really too much else we can read into that. But I'd be focusing on having a look at how strong these supports are over on the OKCoin exchanges moving forward. Other thing that's pretty exciting at the moment is what's happening in India. How the government have gotten rid of their two largest notes. So the largest note you can actually use in India at the moment is kind of equivalent to a value of $2. If that's not good for Bitcoin, I don't know what is. There'd be a lot of money being trying to get put into, or a lot of people trying to learn how they can actually move money around without actually carrying a whole backpack full of notes. Now these people lining up, it's not like a bank run that we've had in Cyprus and Greece. It's actually people lining up to put money into their banks because their larger denomination notes are going to be worthless or not going to be able to be accepted within the next couple of days. So having a look at that, what I've got here is Google Trends searching for the term of Bitcoin in India. And what I just want to show here is this is the high that we had in 2013, just in India, when it was all, the massive run-up, and it was all mayhem. And we've actually hit that all-time high in India as well, compared to if we have a look at what that would be on the worldwide scale. Bear with me for a second. We're only, Okay, we're still pretty low in the scheme of things. But places like India, one of the highest populations in the world, if we can get a foothold of that in the Bitcoin market, that is going to be massive. And so pretty much stay tuned on the Bitcoin side of things, because things are about to get very exciting. So thanks for watching. If you like it, please like, share, subscribe, do whatever it is that you do, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please feel free to like and subscribe. If you've got any questions, just also feel free to leave some questions down below and I'll be happy to get back to you. If you haven't got your first Bitcoins yet as well and you'd like to learn how to get them in a way that's quick, easy and safe, click this link right here and that'll take you through a video which will walk you through exactly how to do it. Quick, easy, you'll have them in no time, and you'll be part of the community. Cheers.